Salesforce Winter Release 25, Top Features of Clouds and AI. In this video, we're diving into the latest innovations from Salesforce, specifically focusing on innovations in various clouds and the powerful advancements of AI across each cloud. Let's break down some key advancements. The first updates are about Sales Cloud and AI agents. Enhancement in sales actions in Einstein Copilot, your AI assistant more powerful, streamlining your sales processes. Secondly, Autonomous Agent Force SDR Agent, your virtual assistant to delegate routine sales tasks, freeing up your team's time for more strategic activities. Thirdly, Agent Force Sales Coach Agent to empowerment sales representatives with personalized AI-powered coaching to improve sales performance. Next, the Data Cloud is evolving rapidly. Experience lightning-fast data updates across the entire Salesforce platform with sub-second real-time. Moving on, Data Cloud 1 has simplified integration across multiple Salesforce orgs within the Data Cloud. Similarly, over 200 pre-built connectors are now available, making data integration easier. Next, Einstein AI is getting even smarter. Now with prompt performance metrics, you can optimize your AI prompts based on data and feedback, ensuring the best possible results. Einstein Copilot Topics. This new feature boosts Copilot's productivity by focusing its efforts on the most relevant tasks. Enhancements in data masking improved its capabilities to mask sensitive data according to user-specific needs. Let's discuss how Service Cloud is revolutionizing customer support. Einstein Copilot in Field Service Actions is empowering dispatchers with AI-powered assistance for efficient scheduling and exception handling. Additionally, Agent Force Service Agent provides an AI-powered team member that gives 24/7 customer support. In addition, Omnichannel on Mobile delivers exceptional customer support on any channel, anytime, anywhere, directly from your mobile device. The next insights are about Marketing Cloud. It is getting smarter and more personalized. Improvements communication capping to streamline your marketing initiatives and budgets with enhanced control over spending. Also, create personalized emails with dynamic content to deliver highly unique information based on customer-specific rules. Lastly, leverage Journey Audit to track and analyze changes made to your customer journeys with ease. As you can see, Salesforce advancements are designed to increase productivity, improve customer experiences, and drive significant business growth. By leveraging AI within the entire Salesforce ecosystem, businesses can unlock even greater potential. Explore these innovations further and see how they can benefit your organization. Turn updates into upgrades. Let PlumLogix be your partner in making your Salesforce work smarter, faster, and better.